Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at a new project car I may or may not have picked up. It's going to be for the wife. Gets good gas mileage. Not quite something I thought I'd buy, but we're going to take a look at it. I may or may not have bought a Honda. So a little bit of history as far as what I know about this is an older lady or something owned it for a while. Somebody bought it for the teenager, didn't want it. Somebody else bought it, then I bought it, but it hasn't been drove a whole lot. I haven't looked at it. I was told it was 118,000 miles, and it definitely looks like it, other than the hood's a different color and a little messed up. So let's take a look around this thing. So for the most part, everything's pretty clean. You can tell the door panel material's coming off a little bit. You know, it's got some worse seats. Still has its original, you know, cassette deck. It's pretty cool. I do have that door panel. It's just off because the speakers were bad. Last person that owned it was going to replace those. We will be fixing that. Fairly clean in the back. Still got that back deck lid. Everything's pretty clean. Like you can tell, I haven't even vacuumed. I haven't done anything. It's got a little random like rust on the things. Needs a detail. Headliner could probably be cleaned a little bit. It's not bad though. The outside of it's fairly clean. It's a single stage paint, so a lot of that might buff out. It's got little dings. It ain't perfect. The hood's been replaced. I'll show you the underneath side of that. It's, you know, a crack on the bumper. Headlights seem fairly clear. It's fairly straight. Like I said, it ain't perfect. It went through a hailstorm, so it does have some dings on the top. I don't know if you can see. You know, she's showing her age. Everything seems to be there. This is the only rust I really seen, other than obviously the rims are a little rusty. Stickers are off of it. I'm guessing that was the car dealership, whatever. Obviously the bumper has some clear coat. I don't know if that's factory. It's a fairly clean car. I've only had a few other problems, which I'm assuming it's like a safety switch or something in here that's bad. Sometimes when you start it, it won't go into reverse. It won't allow me to. We'll get that fixed. You can also put the key right there and make it. But anyways, let's hear this thing start. Yeah, you can see 118, 103. Very low mileage. Started right up. Pop the hood. It's very quiet. It's got factory exhaust on it still. Fairly clean running. So it's pretty much all original, not touched. Yeah. Guy before me, the distributor, It needs, you know, it says some fancy work done to it, needs fixed. I'm pretty sure this vacuum ball is not supposed to go here. I think it's supposed to be over here. Just untouched, crusty. Spider webs. Yeah. I don't see a whole lot of leaks. It doesn't drip on the driveway. You can tell it's real clean. It doesn't even shake. I bet I could stand a quarter on end on the motor. It's a good car. Needs some work, so this is the next car we're going to be working on. All right, well, that's the new project car. It's got a lot needs done to it, including that hood's got to go. It's separating and has problems. There's a lot we need to do to it. If there's anything you'd like to see me do to it, hit the comments, let me know. It's gonna be a fun one. It's mostly for the wife. You know, it's a gas getter, but we're gonna have some fun with it. So if you want to see more of this, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.